Yo. Booty ass nigga talking about the real. This the real, this right here. Oh boy, nation. Well, it's real. Good club. Oh boy, squad. 39 double O, my niggas tryna blow. If a nigga with the ops, he gon' get his ass smoked. Smoking dope with some hoes, run they asses time to go. Niggas stay dropping lows, I just laugh and hit the dope. All these silly fucking ops, all these silly fucking dots. Catch me ran through the hood, got you ducking from the shots. And Boski love to aim, figures up at his top. Hollow tip from the jock and make his whole body hot. And we don't get no fuck, cause we do that shit a lot. We don't talk, we don't fight. We got 100 round drum. If you claim it, oh, yeah, my niggas wanna come. I just hit my nigga Lodi, he gon' come and leave slump. It's just open down the war zone where it ain't safe. Put the K behind the 9, watch your ass get erased. If you screaming fuck the oak, you better watch what you say. If you say what you say, or just end up at your place.
We out the squad shit, man. How you beat that, my boy Boss Rail, man. Old school.
Guys, in the city, coming in squad.
Shout out MTG, man. Shout out WWDC, man. Shout out BCE, man. Shout out BCE, man. You know how we coming, man.
You know, we squad. Stand it over while you sleeping, put the pistol to your face. Put the pistol in your mouth. You ain't got shit to say, and we been suitcase. With a real open man. My niggas play with guns, cock it back and let it shine. Bitch, I'm OTO, go the fuck you see the sign. And bitch, I'm over here, go the fuck you see the set. If you ever disrespect, put the check up at your neck. And how the fuck you flexing, but I know where you at. He claim he a savage, but he never with his ratchet. Run up on him with the ratchet, holla on him with his cat. He ain't with it, let him have it. 30 clips, let him have it. We gon' show us that's a real definition of a savage. If you call up Terry, I don't really get no fuck. If you call up Lil Twan, I don't really get you fucked. If you hopping out the truck, we got Scooter in the cut. With the Ruger, line you all like Sub-Zero, leave you stuck. I don't know a bony boy, but I know a bony mo. 30 cause he a blow. Just because he looks so tired of all these niggas steady aiming at the floor. My niggas aiming at your head, my niggas aiming trying to scope.
It's a tie game, my one's a game.
Dials for Lake Park, man. Dials for Lawless, man. Sue K, man. Die Rock, man. Fuck the bird, man. They love the COV and shit, man. They know we rockin', man. Shout to 46.
Yeah, that's